Hey everybody, welcome back. It's me, Kat, and today is January 1st, 2026. So this is New Year's Day, and I have a special announcement to make. I am changing the branding of my channel. Instead of Second Act Kat RN, I'm changing to Living Solo, Living Well, and you may see that title already. I've done some more videos. I'm getting ready to upload a few more. I've already got the videos in queue. I just need to go through and edit a few of them. So I'll start sending those out and getting those on the channel. But the reason I did this change is because I've been wanting to talk about topics that aren't exclusive to a second act or a retiree or somebody leaving a career and starting over. So I didn't want to limit it to that because I've had a lot of other things on my mind that I really want to share. And that those things pertain to living solo. So those of you who are living alone and trying to make it day to day as a solo person, these videos will contribute to different topics for that population, for those of us who are living solo. And I thought that this name of the channel fully encompasses the things I wanted to talk about. I was struggling with not doing videos on certain things, certain topics, because I felt like they were not in the realm of a second act or a retiree. So I decided to go full out and change the branding, and everything remains the same with my channel as far as all the videos from Second Act Kat are still on. They will say Second Act Kat. They'll say that former channel. You'll see that, but it's all the same. It's me still. And I'm hoping that there can be some topics that garner conversation and talk about these the different topics that we're all dealing with. So I hope that you guys continue to watch and subscribe and share with your friends who are living solo. There are a lot of tips we can get from each other, I feel like, and I hope I can contribute something. And I hope that you enjoy the new title and continue to watch and subscribe and share the videos as well. So until next time, take care and have a safe and happy 2026.